Is your Messenger app Word Effects not working at all? Don't worry, it's likely due to minor glitch or an outdated app version of your Android device. Thankfully, fixing this issue is quick and easy. So, let's dive right into the solutions. Before you do anything, make sure that you are using the latest version of Messenger. Open the Google Play Store, search for Messenger, tap Update if an update is available. After updating, restart your phone and check if the word effects are working or not. If it's still not working, then try the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Confirm if the word effects are set up. Open the Messenger app. Get into the chat where you want to use word effects. Now you will see their profile showing at the top. Click on it. A new window will pop up. In here, tap on word effects. If no word effects are set on here, add some to test if it works or not. If it doesn't, then go to the next solution. Solution 2. Log out and log back in. Tap and hold the Messenger icon on your screen. Then tap on the eye icon or app info. Go to storage, tap clear data, confirm the action. This will delete all your data including your Messenger login info. Go back to the Messenger app and add your credentials to log back in again. Check if the word effects are showing now. Solution 3. Reinstall Messenger. If the other solutions are not working, reinstalling Messenger might do the trick. Tap and hold on to the Messenger app icon on your home screen. Tap Uninstall. Now confirm the action. After that, go to the Play Store and search for Messenger. Install it from here. And after it's installed, log in and check if word effects are working. Hopefully your problem should be fixed by now. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful solutions just like this. Now, if you're still facing issues with your word effects, let me know in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can.